London has over 100,000 hotel rooms for rent within its borders. Known as a city of high prices, London is in fact a great destination for all budgets. All you have to do is ensure you're making the most out of your money in this amazing metropolis. From cheap accommodation, homestays or hostels, to medium-range hotels located in the quieter areas of town, to centrally located luxury places, London has a room for everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you around the borough of Shoreditch, an artsy area of London, where I spent the night before my train to Paris. I stayed at the budget hotel that was surprising for me in terms of quality and value for money. We will be doing a room tour together, trying out the facilities, test the bed, and then rate the bathroom for a complete review. Stick through until the end for some personal tips on how to find cheap rooms in any city around the world. If you're planning on traveling to London or any other city on this planet and are looking for cheap stays, the good news is you can find them. The bad news is there is no secret formula for always finding the lower prices. My rule of thumb is flexibility. Whenever I travel, I try to mold my trips around the best possible prices for flights and accommodation. I will always take into account things like distance from the nearest metro station, for example when it comes to hotels. Yet I remain flexible, even if my hotel is farther away from the underground, like it was the case here. Finding a $60 room for the night in central London with great amenities and a very nice bed, it's everything you can dream of. To summarize, there is no secret to cheap rooms but flexibility. The more flexible you are, for example traveling during the off-season, the better the chances of finding a great deal. And of course, search everywhere for the lowest price, including direct pages of your hotel, not just on the usual suspects.